There are those who hope for a better tomorrow. And then there are those already on their way to finding it. When the obstacles ahead seem insurmountable, they're determined to overachieve. And in times of uncertainty, they find calm above the storm. Where do you sit? At the command of the world's most diversified private aviation portfolio, you can drive your business like never before. Starting with the industry's foremost lineup of best in-class light jets, moving up to the best-selling mid-size jet 4 years in a row, and enabling you to make the most of every minute, the new frontrunner in super mid-size performance and efficiency. You'll be able to accomplish any mission while safeguarding everything that matters most, with clean cabin technology and a full complement of amenities. So while others wait for a new day, you can be the kind of leader who seizes this one.